Welcome to Canada, the second largest country in the world, known for its breathtaking nature, rich culture, and friendly people. From towering mountains to modern cities, let's explore what makes Canada truly special. 1. Geography and nature. Canada covers almost 10 million square kilometers, stretching from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific in the west, and far into the Arctic. It shares the longest international land border with the United States and maritime borders with Greenland and the French territory of Saint-Pierre-et-Miquelon. The country is divided into 10 provinces and 3 territories, featuring landscapes from the towering Rocky Mountains and Pacific rainforests, to golden prairies, the Canadian Shield, lake-filled eastern forests, and the icy Arctic archipelago. With the longest coastline on Earth and nearly 20% of the world's freshwater, Canada's geography shapes its character. Nature here is vast and diverse. Mount Logan in Yukon is Canada's highest peak, and the Mackenzie River is the longest. Baffin Island is the largest island, and Great Bear Lake is the largest lake entirely within Canada. The Bay of Fundy is famous for its dramatic tides, and the Great Lakes form one of the largest freshwater systems on Earth. From boreal forests and Arctic tundra to glaciers and rich coastal habitats, wildlife such as moose, beavers, polar bears, whales, and Canada geese thrive. Natural wonders like Niagara Falls, the turquoise lakes of Banff and Jasper, and the Northern Lights make Canada's landscapes breathtaking. 2. History and culture. Canada's story begins with the First Nations, Inuit, and Métis, who have lived here for thousands of years. Their traditions, languages, and wisdom form the roots of Canada. Later, French and British explorers and settlers arrived, shaping the country's laws, language, and culture. In 1867, 4 provinces united to form the Dominion of Canada, and over time, more provinces and territories joined, creating the independent nation we know today. Canada continues to respect Indigenous rights and keep their heritage alive. Today, about 40 million people call Canada home. It is a welcoming, multicultural country. Most people live near the southern border, but diversity is felt everywhere. Canada has 2 official languages, English and French, while Indigenous languages like Cree, Ojibwe, and Inuktitut are being revived and celebrated. Festivals like Canada Day, Winterlude, and the Calgary Stampede bring people together. Music, art, literature, and values like politeness, fairness, and respect for diversity shape Canadian identity. And of course, hockey is more than a sport, it's a national passion. 3. Economy and currency. Canada's economy is one of the largest in the world, powered by natural resources such as oil, gas, minerals, forests, and fresh water. Agriculture and fishing produce wheat, seafood, and other exports. Canada is also a leader in technology, healthcare, education, and clean energy. Trade is vital, especially with the United States. The national currency is the Canadian dollar, called the loonie. As of today, 1 Canadian dollar equals about $0.73 US. Early in 2025, Canada's economy grew about 2.2% thanks to exports, but later slowed by 1.6% due to US tariffs. Strong household spending and government investment kept domestic demand firm. GDP is expected to grow around 1.8% in 2025 and 2026, supported by diverse industries and global trade. 4. Politics and global role. Canada is a parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy. The head of state is the monarch, represented by the Governor-General, while the Prime Minister leads the government. The current Prime Minister is Justin Trudeau. Canada's federal system shares power between the national government and 10 provinces and 3 territories. Each region manages education, healthcare, and local priorities, while the federal government handles national policies, defense, and international relations. The red and white flag with the maple leaf is a proud symbol of unity. Globally, Canada is an active player. It is a member of the United Nations, NATO, the G7, and the Commonwealth of Nations. Canada supports peacekeeping, climate action, human rights, and global trade. It maintains strong partnerships with the US, Europe, Asia, and developing countries. With democratic values and a multicultural society, Canada is respected as a fair and influential nation. 5. Agriculture. Agriculture is one of Canada's oldest and most important industries. Fertile prairies make Canada a top producer of wheat, canola, and barley, especially in Saskatchewan, Alberta, and Manitoba. These crops feed Canadians and are exported worldwide. Canada also produces dairy, beef, poultry, and seafood. Modern farms use advanced technology and sustainable practices. From golden wheat fields to maple syrup forests, agriculture is both an economic strength and a cultural symbol. 6. Fun facts. Canada is full of fascinating records and charming quirks. It has the world's longest coastline, more than 240,000 kilometers, and nearly 2 million lakes. It shares the longest international border with the United States, crossing forests, rivers, and towns. Canada produces about 70% of the world's maple syrup and has the largest outdoor skating rink in Ottawa, where the Rideau Canal freezes each winter. Ice hockey and lacrosse were born here, and Canadians are famously polite, often saying, "sorry." These fun facts show Canada's size, traditions, and playful spirit. Canada is a country of vast landscapes, rich history, and welcoming people. From its frozen north to bustling cities, it offers natural wonders, cultural pride, and modern progress. It is a nation shaped by diversity, united by values, and admired worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Canada. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beautiful Planet for more country explorations. Let us know which country you'd like us to explore next. Your suggestion could be featured in an upcoming episode.